Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss access modifier in Java. There are 4 types of access modifier in Java. First private, second default, third protected and fourth public. Let's see with practical one by one here. Here I am using the Eclipse as ID and then click on the file, new and take a Java project. Here we need to write my project name and simply giving my project name as access demo and click on the next and then finish. Okay, look here, my project access demo displayed under the package explorer, and simply I explore my project and then right click on the src, pop-up menu display here and click on the new and take a class 1 and check the public static void main method and then click on the finish. Okay, class 1 is successfully created here with the main method. Again right click on the src, click on the new and take a class. And here we need to write my class name and simply I'm giving my class name as A. We don't have need to check the public static void main method because I have already taken the main method within class 1, so I left it and then click on finish. Within a class I am going to discuss the private access modifier. Okay, I'm just going to create a variable x and assigning the 10 value, and x is the private member of the class A, and then private void this method, and within the this method I am simply giving the message system.out.println and giving here the message this is private disk method. Okay, and here I am going to create a public method show, and within the show I am calling the disk method. Okay, and save it. Look here, the private members are, if you make any member as a private, then this member is available within the class, not outside of the class. If you make any method as a private, then this method is available within the class, not outside of the class. You can use this private member or method inside the class A anywhere, but you cannot access this x variable outside of the class. So you will understand that the private member we can use inside the class, not outside of the class. Come inside the class A and create here the object of the A class and call here the method show. It's easily called because it's public member method, and if I am going to call the this method, it is giving it because this is the private, so you cannot access the private member outside of the class. If you make this method as a public, then it is available outside of the class. Look here, the error has gone. Clear? I am again come inside the class and make it private. Clear? Means if you make any member or methods as a private, then the scope of that member or method inside the class, not outside of the class. Clear concept? Okay, and come here and comment it, save it and run it. Right click access demo, run as Java application. The output will display onto the console. This is private disk method. Clear concept? And then right click on the default package and delete it. I am going to discuss the second access modifier default. If you don't use any modifier, it is treated as default by default. Default modifier is available within class and within package, not outside of the package. Let's see here. I'm just right click on the src, new, and take a package, giving package name as a pack, and then click on finish. Right click on the pack, new, and take a class, e-class. I left the public static void main method and then click on the finish. Okay, class is successfully created here. Within class A, I'm just write here the default access modifier. Okay, and here I'm just going to create a method test and giving here the message system.out.println, and right here the message, this is default disp method. Okay, and save it. Again right click on the src, new, and take another package, just giving here my package name as a my pack, and click on the finish. Okay, my pack is successfully created here. Right click on the my pack, new, and take a class B, and check the public static void main method and then click on the finish. Okay, B class successfully created here. And inside the package my pack, come inside the main method and just first import the pack dot star, terminated with semicolon. Come inside the main method, create the object of the E class, and call here the this method. It's getting error because we are calling the this method outside of the package, not within the pack. So we are calling the inside the my pack. Due to this member disp is not available outside the package, so it's getting error. And if just comment it and save it. Okay, and come inside the pack, right click and new, take a class C, and click on the finish. C class is successfully created here, and just I'm going to create a method public void show method, and I'm going to call this method here. So we need here to create the object of the E class. So I'm creating the object of the E class, and with the help of obj I'm calling the this method here. I am able to call the this method because it is in same package. The C class is within the same package pack. So you are able to call with the help of object inside the show method. If the package change, you are not able to call the this method. Clear? And come inside the B class, and you just need to create the object of the C class, and call the method obj.show, and save it. Right click on the project, access demo, and run it. First save it and then right click, run a Java application. Look here, the output is this is default disk method. Clear? Means if you make any method as a default, then it is available inside the class and inside the package, not outside the package. If you try to call this method or member outside of the package, it's getting error. Clear concept? Okay. Next, we are going to discuss the protected access modifier. So I'm just delete all this info from here. Okay, and also delete the pack. Okay, fresh start. The protected access modifier is accessible within package and outside the package, but through the inheritance only. Means the protected member available outside of the package, but you need to inherit the class. After that it is available, otherwise it is not available. So let's see here with the practical demonstration. I'm just going to create a package pack and click on the finish. Right click on the pack, new, and take a class A and click on the finish. A class is successfully created here. Within A class, I am going to create a method disk and giving here the system.out.println and message. This is protected disk method and save it. Okay, and again right click on the src, new, and take another package, my pack, and click on the finish. Okay, my pack is successfully created here. Right click on the my pack, new, and take a class B class and check the public static void main method and then click on the finish. Okay, B class is successfully created here with the main method. I am going to import the first 1 minute. You just come here and use the extend keyword, stands A. It's getting error because import A, you cannot be resolved to a type import A pack. So first we need to import the package. So you come here and write here the import pack dot start, and then A class is available. Okay, and you will understand. Extend here, and just I'm going to create the object of the B class here. Okay, and calling here the disk method and save it. Okay, means here I am inheriting the A class into the B class, then the protected member available. If we are not using the inheritance, then the protected disk method is not available within the B class. So the protected member is available outside of the package but through the inheritance. If you are not using the inheritance, then it is not available. I am just showing you a obj1 equal new a and obj1 dot display. Look here, this is not available when I am creating the object of the a class, because I am creating the object of the a class outside or in another package, my pack, so it is not available. Clear concept? Just delete it and save it and run it. Okay, and Java application. This is protected disk. Clear concept? Means the protected member available outside of the package but through the inheritance, right? Okay, and next, fourth access modifier is public. The public access modifier is accessible everywhere. It has the much scope among all the modifiers. So if you make any method as a public, then it is available anywhere. Look here, just come inside the E class and make this method public. Okay, and save it. Come inside the B class. This method is available. Sorry, first I am going to remove the inheritance. Okay, and delete this info. Then I am going to create the object of the E class. Okay, obj dot and then call here the disk method. This method available outside the package, means if you make any member as a public, then it is available everywhere. If you want to extend it, then you simply write here extends A, then it's also available in B class. You just go here and create the object of the B class, and with the help of obj1 you can also call the this method. Clear? Run it, right click, run it, Java application. This is, oh, I am not changing the message, so you will understand. Just come inside here and changing the message public and save it. Again run it. Okay, message successfully changed. This is public disk, this is public disk. Clear concept? In this video lecture we have to discuss the 4 types of access modifier: private, public, protected and internal. So I am revise you that all the access modifier: private available within the class, not available within package, outside of the package by subclass and outside of the package. Default access modifier within the class, within package, outside of the package by subclass not available, outside of the package not available. Protected within class available, within package available, outside of the package by subclass available, outside of the package not available. Public within class available, within package available, outside of the package by subclass available, outside of the package available. Means everywhere it is available. Thank you friend. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.